In this video, we're gonna return to the roots that this channel was founded on and fully start a Shopify dropshipping business in 1 week. But as the title of this video implies, this week we are going to start a dropshipping business from scratch, find a product, build a website, create an ad, use Instagram influencer ads to market the product, and then fulfill the orders on AliExpress all in 1 week, which I think is actually a reasonable amount of time in which a beginner can get their first store up and running and start testing with it. I've personally been testing the shipping times from AliExpress over the last few months, and it seems like they are returning back to normal. I've gotten 40% quicker shipping times on orders I made in early June over the ones I made in early April, so I feel like now is a pretty good time to make this video as things are picking back up. Lash extension mascara. So let's take a tour through everything we've built up here, starting with a website that I built on the Shopify platform. I chose to name the story Silky Lashes with an I.